Drop it! Drop it!
On December 1st, 2024, a man wielding a chainsaw storms into a senior living facility, terrifying residents and staff. When police arrive, things spiral out of control fast.
Hello?
Hi, he went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree.
He went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
This one with the pillars?
Yes.
The white pillars?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and just hang out here for a second? Okay. How long ago did he go in there? Okay. Okay. Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know, he came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call of business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open. 10-4.
He went that way.
Units didn't come in. Can you step it up? Hey!
Incoming units.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop the... drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Attention B1 units there. Someone B1 for St. Charles.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my god.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
1393. Can you 10-9?
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up!
I'm not leaving here without my lady! Where is she?
Step it up!
Where's my...
Drop it!
I just want my wife, man. I just want...
Listen, man.
I don't want to leave.
Taser up one! Taser! Hey! Hey! Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
1393.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. I'm trying to get him inside. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, oh, you gotta do it. Oh, hands up. What the?
Shots fired!
Shots fired.
Attention all outreach units. We're going to St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over, get him over.
North Avenue in St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
outreach units. Special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching of shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue. We're going to St. Charles. Responding yes, acknowledgement ETA.
We got that.
2137 en route.
Come on. Watch out, move your... Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here.
Now take a look at this second POV from a different officer's body cam. You are going to see that, as the man aims fire on the suspect, the chainsaw actually catches him. If you thought this scene wasn't crazy enough, you are about to see how close an officer got to getting injured.
Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
Okay, great.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, you gotta do. Oh, what the?
Shots fired!
Shots fired.
Attention, all Irish units. So we're going to St. Charles, 905 block of Brooklyn Avenue. 95 on Avenue, St. Charles. Attention, all units. Special attention, St. Charles units.
This is a wild example of just how unpredictable police work can be. Officers have split seconds to make life or death choices, and this was one of those moments. I want to hear from you. Do you think this was a justified use of force, or was there another way to de-escalate? Let's talk in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button if you want more crazy body cam breakdowns, subscribe for the latest updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.